What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Hyundai Santa Cruz Smart Key remote fob. This Hyundai Santa Cruz key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on. Hold that down and then the emergency key will slide out like that. We can just set that to the side. Now if we hold the key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, this side here is where the emergency key was. On the other side we see there's this little bit of a slot right here. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that slot and then I'm just going to angle it up and pry up on this back cover like that. You can see it pops it up. You can just pull it the rest of the way off with your fingers. Now we see our battery right here, and this battery will just slide out of this holder like that. Then we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Go ahead and slide it in the new holder, and then we'll snap the back cover on. And then we'll slide the emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.